Hello. Tonight, it's going to be oak tree night. I brought in my California oak to hang out and enjoy. And then while I was looking at my other oak, my Cork Bark Oak, I was noticing how pliable, soft and chewy all these limbs are that are these new shoots that are coming out. And remembering how much trouble I was having wiring the harder stuff last year, I decided that even though I don't know what I'm keeping yet, if I were going to wire this stuff, the time to do it would be now. For instance, this is going to get wired, and I don't think this is going to be the bottom limb. It's too close to the bottom. I want the first third to be trunk. So that would make this guy in the future the first bottom limb. So, but I'll probably wire these, pull them down a little, pull them down a little, and pull them down a little, and do the same. See how easy that bends now? I was trying not to break stuff last time I put any wire to these other guys, and it's probably about time to take that wire off. So tonight I'm going to pull the wire that I put on earlier in the year off there, and then I'm going to throw a little wire on these guys. And then while I'm doing that, I'll be looking up and admiring the beauty of this, my California red oak. A hole in the trunk there. Just what a beaut this is. Meanwhile, outside, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but the last couple of days, the videos, the sunlight has had this almost very, very fall-like color that came about one day. And it is because of the California fires that we're having right now. So everything smells kind of fallish, except not quite, because it's more than just leaves that are burning. And I hope everybody's being safe, and I hope everybody wears their masks and does all the stuff they're supposed to. It's Saturday night, and we're going to it's going to be oak night at the O'Connors. Thanks for watching.